Welcome to the Innovec series of setup videos, calibration videos. Today we're talking about the Innovec IBL batch controller. It's supplied in a 72 by 144 millimeter panel mount housing, 130 millimeters deep. We also supply it with a silicon boot that allows it protection to IP67. In some situations they can be hosed from 1 metre away, so this really protects it. The instrument is designed to be mounted in a panel. It is first necessary to cut a hole in the panel 139 millimetres wide by 67 millimetres high. The instrument is pushed through the panel hole from the front, and from the rear we put on our fixing clamps. After mounting it in the panel, we need to connect our wiring. The connectors we supply are a two-part male-female connector, so it allows you to connect your wires and then plug them into the socket. To configure the instrument, we enter the programming mode. We have ACCS on the display, we press start, display, start again, and we enter the programming mode. The first function is decimal point. By pressing the start button, we can select one of 3 different decimal points. If what we have on the screen is what we want, we move on to the next function, which is cal factor. The instrument requires an 8-digit cal factor. The digit flashing is the one we can alter with the start button. To modify a second digit, we press display, so the second digit is flashing. If we've got the value we want, we press batch mode to go to the second K factor. If we're happy with what we've got, we then move to selection of either batch up or batch down. Relay 1 set point. The digit flashing is the one we can alter, and by using a display button we move across the screen and select each digit in turn. Relay 2 has a 99-second timer, so when we start the batch there's a delay before that relay energizes. So we can set that timer by moving through the digits. Next one is relay 2 set point. Again, we can have a 6-digit set point. The digit flashing is the one we can change. If we're happy with what we've got, we move to the next one, which is an end of batch delay. We can have a 99-second delay with this for the beginning of the next batch. So if you're controlling the batch controller with a PLC, you can have a set delay before it starts the next batch. We have a low flow alarm. If input pulses aren't received within the time program period, the batch will reset and cancel. So again, we can change that to the number we like. We can select whether the low flow alarm is or off. We then move to the next function, which is automatic overrun compensation. This is a function to automatically modify the batch size if we're getting overrun from a slow moving solenoid or a distance in the pipes. And that is the end of the programming mode. In run mode, we can also, by doing the batch set button, we can bring up relay 1 set point, which we can modify and without entering the programming mode. When we run the batch, we have two LEDs that come on to show us that the relays have energised. During the batch, if we, for any reason, want to stop the progress of the batch, we press the stop button and the process will come to a halt. Because the batch was not complete, by pressing the start button, it will continue on from where it stopped and not treat it as a completely new batch. And we will go until we've hit our set point and the LEDs are off. End of batch.